Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how you can change a battery in this remote control here. This is the remote for a Dyson HP02 hot and cold fan, but a similar process will apply to other models as well. If you have a look down here, you can see there's a little crosshead screw, a little Phillips screw, so we're going to undo that. So we're going to be going counterclockwise, anti-clockwise. And the battery we need is a CR2032, or it might be a DL2032 if it's Duracell. Take the screw out, and then we're going to slide this out here. This is the battery here, and you can see here it says CR2032. Now, when you put the new battery in, if you have a look, there's a little plus just here. So we need to marry up the plus there with the plus here. In this instance, this battery is not flat, we're just doing this purely for the video. So place this in here with the plus this way, with the plus there. And then we're going to be placing it back into here. You can see it's slightly curved, and this is curved, so make sure it goes in the right way there. Curve against curve, push it in, and then we're going to hold it in here, and then we're going to do up the little screw. And this time we're going clockwise. And that's it. You don't need to pair this back up to the fan. It will already be paired. If your camera allows, sometimes you will be able to see a little light when you press it here. So you can see now that that's just flashing there. Nice and straightforward. Thanks for watching.